We on the street with this one. Trying to make sure that everything works on this one.
A few moments later.
It's not good. Let's see, here we are. We on the street with this one. Trying to make sure that everything works on this one. Let's see. That's one. Another one RPM. That it wasn't shifting well. I feel like it's shifting no problem. I don't know, because I really don't feel it. Now when it like tugs you or pull you, I'm not really feeling that. Like that much. I think I better go ahead and get her back on to the shop. The battery light came back on. Maybe it's an alternator that's bad on here. Pulling too much power, maybe? Uh-oh. Turned off again. Oh, the screen turned off. It's still driving. Let's see if we can pull back at it. See if we can make it up here. Not too far from the shop anyway. I'm trying to see if I can make it back. That's not good. Let's see, here we are. All I gotta do is just pull in here. Alright, so we back. And park her. Something wrong with the battery. The battery light came back on. And then everything started flickering. The dash here was turning off. And then the hill descended light came back on. So yeah, it's not good. Let's see what's going on with this. You can see there goes our check engine light. There goes our battery light that's on. So back at it again. I'm gonna go ahead and turn her off. Wow, that turned it off immediately. Yeah, that battery is trash. You can kind of see I'm trying to turn it on now. Nothing. So At least it's something easy. Hey, he ain't coming off now. Off camera, I used the 10mm and I tightened it up. Because I can't hold the phone, I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time. So let's see. She should be fine now. No problem. Right on back up. Just wanted to take that other car out there for a spin. Hold on. There she is. Y'all see her? Let me get out the way. She is right there. Let's take that one for a spin. Huh? Alrighty. Time to take this Genesis Coupe. Let's maybe stretch your legs. One thing I do hate about this car here is the AC does not work in here. Oh Lord. I feel that freaking heat. Oh my God. I don't even want to drive it no more now. Let me do what the poor mans do. We turn off our AC, turn all the way off, and we just roll down our windows. That's what we do. And I gotta figure out what's going on. It got to be a sensor, because this one here will not let that window down, nor will pressing this let the window down as well. So I press that, it won't go down, and so it has to be maybe a fuse or something. Drive this one here. Put your seatbelt on. Why do you not have your seatbelt on? Keep it here. I think that was enough adventures for one day. I was concerned that the car there was going to leave me stranded. Man, that is a nice Pontiac. Jeez, I gotta go check that one out. I like the way it sounds. It sounds real nice. A little whistle. And he got all the classics right there. Y'all see them classic cars. Oh, y'all can't see it. Well, one day I'll stop by and let y'all look at it. Classic cars. Vroom vroom, let's go fast. That's how fast they go. Why? I'm so nervous about doing that. I guess because the Range Rover got me a little in the pickle. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take this Charger out for a spin, because technically I'm gonna be driving that one for a little while. So, let's get to that one. So much better, man. So much better. Oh my gosh, man. So much better. So I'm taking this one here on the road, and we're gonna see what this one does. We've driven this one here on the road before. I've taken it to the grocery store once before. It was a little short video. It wasn't nothing. I just like really went up the street and went back, and it gave me no issues. We drove it around the place, you know, the warehouse area. It's never given us any issues. So now we're gonna officially take it out on the road. So we do have a tire light on, but I need to replace these tires. These tires are garbage. You can learn a lot from a vehicle when you drive them, and you can go past the third gear. It's where you can really like see what a vehicle is about. Man, these guys here. So I think we're gonna have to do a front exactly what is going on with the car. As y'all can see, I'm tilting the steering wheel. It's not straight, and I'm on a straight road, but I'm tilting the steering wheel. So, she's definitely gonna need an alignment. So, maybe next week or so we'll get the alignment done. I'm thinking about fixing this glass. I think maybe I may drive it and play with this one here for a little bit before I actually, put it up for sale. Definitely drives, definitely cool. Yeah, see, I'm tilting my steering wheel. I'm tilting it just so it can go straight. So yeah, this is no bueno. This is no good. It's fun. It was fun. All the fun, all the way around. All around fun. Alright. I'll go ahead and back this one up. Needle. See that needle? That's pretty much as far as it goes. And it doesn't go to hot, but it goes right there. And then that's where it is. I don't like that. So, because I don't like that, I'm definitely going to be putting a thermostat in this one here. Like, I'm gonna do everything I can because this car here is gonna get perfect. You see, there's no check engine light. We just got a tire light. I'm gonna change that. We're gonna get this key fob fixed so that'll go away. We're still gonna get that side panel fixed. We're gonna get all this stuff taken care of in this one here. It's been 2 days since we did the test drive on those two vehicles. So the Range Rover, we're gonna be sending that to Land Rover. They're going to go ahead and they're gonna do a diagnosis on that, and then they're gonna also let us know if there's any issues or what other problems that we have that we need to fix on that one there. We have the Hyundai Genesis Coupe is already at Hyundai. Hyundai has already done their diagnosis on it, so we're gonna be picking that up and we're gonna be updating y'all on what's going on with that car. The Dodge Charger had indeed ran hot on me when I drove it to my home. So we are going to have to go ahead and check on that one to see what's going on with that one. But that's going to do it for this video here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care.